Hi, Howard Young here. I just want to show you how to use Putty to connect to the management GUI in your VPSA. Basically, what I want to do is bring up Putty and show you some of the settings that I already pre-configured. And we'll load this up. And what you need to do is put in your own IP address or hostname for your EC2 instance. And this is the instance that is connected to your VPSA through a direct connect. And then in the connection, what you need to do is set in the username. This Ubuntu is the EC2 instance username that's default for AWS. You can use whatever you want in that point. And then in the SSH connection, you don't need to specify remote command, but what I do is I set up a screen running on the instance so I can connect at any time and recover. And then let's expand that and look at the authorization. Now the important thing in here, you need to provide a private Putty key. And the way you produce that is from the PEM file that you downloaded through your AWS instance. What you want to do is use PuttyGen and create a Putty private key. And you'll use that instead of the PEM file. The next thing to do is set up a tunnel. And let me show you what we need to do here. So the source port is 80. This is going to be localhost :80, which we're going to use to manage the VPSA. And the destination is the IP address of the VPSA. Now you can, instead of using the IP address, you can use the subdomain that we provide you when the VPSA is created. Let me add that back in, and then we'll just open it up. Here connected to my instance at AWS. And so it's important to note that if you're going to spend some time managing the VPSA, you probably should run something in the background so it doesn't time out. The SSH will time out after like 5 minutes. So what I usually do is just run top and you're good to go. So let's bring up the GUI. It's running at localhost, and if everything works out, you should get a login prompt. And there you go. And this will bring you up the management GUI where you can create volumes and attach servers and create RAID groups and all the good things which make your life easy in managing your storage.